Swing top glass bottle. Use these small flip-top glass bottles to create custom party favors for an upcoming baby shower, wedding, or birthday party. Multi-purpose. The 8 ounces swing top bottles are perfect for serving and storing infused oil, vinegar, vanilla extract, beverages, beer, fruit-infused water, kombucha, kefir, liqueurs, and sweet tea. Dishwasher friendly. The swing top bottles 8 ounces can be hand-washed or cleaned in the dishwasher. Dimensions. The glass bottles with swing top lids each measure 7.75 by 2 inches, used to store craft supplies, essential oils, spices, seashells, or colored sand art. What's included? Includes 6 8 ounces swing top glass bottles with stoppers for juicing and 1 brush cleaner. Place these mini glass bottles with cork stoppers on the dining tables at an upcoming wedding reception or engagement party. Each glass bottle can hold up to 8 ounces of liquid. Put your DIY craft skills to work and create a romantic, rustic atmosphere. The cork lid allows you to fill the empty glass bottles with shells, glitter, or essential oils. The set includes 6 bottles for a vinaigrette, beverages, oils, kombucha, kefir, homemade beer, wine and more. This value pack also comes with a compatible cleaning brush. Top reviews from the United States. A bar cart essential. Love these. They're super nice for recipes like homemade oat milk, and as a carafe for cream for my coffee, but they are especially an absolute essential for a bar cart. I squeeze a bunch of limes/lemons and store it in these for a week in my fridge, and it makes cocktails so much easier to assemble when I want to drink at dinner, and I can throw together my own simple syrup and store it in these too. The brush makes these super easy to clean, and I've never had any issue with leaking or pouring.